Hey beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita, of course. I'm your girl Anita. Guys, just want to show you something real quick. I'm not going to be long in this video. I want to show you a candle that I found at Aldi, not Dollar Tree, Aldi. I'm about to say Dollar Tree, but it wasn't Dollar Tree, it was Aldi. Guys, look how beautiful this is. Look how pretty this is. Wow, right? I don't think the phone, the camera is doing it justice. Let me see if I could flip the camera and show you what's going on better. Put the, yeah, much better. Look how beautiful this is, my friends. Absolutely beautiful. Now, they have a lot of these candles in Aldi in different print, guys, with the same lemon on it. I believe this is a new collection for this foundation, childhood cancer, Alexa's lemonade stand. So they came out with this for the summer, guys, and they have them in like the dish towels and what I saw with it, the dish towels and some containers, storage containers, something like that. But it's something that they have going on right now. If you want to get one of these candles, guys, they're $5, and for $5 I must say they smell really good. The scent is very strong for $5. I haven't burned it yet, but I'm gonna burn it. It is so pretty, I hardly want to burn it, but I'm gonna burn it though. It's 3 wicks and it smells awesome, guys. If you have a Aldi's close to you, don't walk, run to Aldi's and grab you one of these. For $5 you won't be disappointed, I'm telling you. I just opened it a while ago. The short time I opened it, I'm smelling it. I didn't even have to put it to my nose, and I'm smelling it, guys. This I bought from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be doing a quick little DIY with this. I just rest it there, but I kind of put the candle right here on my little vignette centerpiece that I have going on right here, guys. I was supposed to show this candle to you earlier. I bought this last week, but I'm just getting a chance to show it to you guys. But I just came home and rested right here. But guys, go get you one of these candles. If you want to get more than one, do so. For $5 they smell really good. Like, apart from Bath and Body Works, this is the next this is like next to Bath and Body Works. Yeah, you know how sometimes you buy these candles and they, you know, they're $5 or less and they don't smell good? Let me tell you, take it from me, you know I would never lie to you. This candle smells so amazing. The scent is so strong. I'm telling you, if I open this and leave it right here, I guarantee you it's gonna be like an air freshener in the house. Smells really good for $5, and the print is pretty. Now, another reason why I purchased this is because it matches well with my lemon and blue and white theme. I'm gonna show you that cup over here that I purchased from Burlington. Let me see if I could rest this in the chair to show you real quick. Check out this cup that I purchased. Let me take this out. That I purchased from Burlington. Look at this. Look at the candle now. So this is why I purchased it. Immediately when I saw it, I thought of the cup, and I'm like, these two go really nice together. You see that? How beautiful is that? How gorgeous is this print beside this cup, guys? You see how well it matches, as if they came together, right? So that's what inspired me to get this candle. The cup, I knew I had the cup that goes well with it, and I knew it was gonna fit into my decor, so I went and I got it. I got it, guys. I say I'm taking this candle home. Even if I don't burn it, it's gonna go well with my decor. Look how pretty that looks with the pair. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And that's my coffee bar for the summer. Let me put back the cup. That's my coffee bar for the summer, my friends. How beautiful is that? Put this thing back in here. How beautiful is that? So pretty. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. And that's it, guys. And I'm going to be doing a DIY as well, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be doing a quick DIY, or maybe I should just do the DIY right now to show you, because it's quick and easy, guys. Alright, so I purchased these things from, let me see if I could stay right here and do it real quick. Hold on. I might have to take this over here to show you. So I purchased this wall decor from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you how quick you could make a quick little frame using these wall decor. Let me show you real quick. I do hope everyone is doing well, guys. Pardon the light because I'm not using my ring light. Normally I would have the camera in my ring light, but I'm not using the ring light. This is just a quick little raw footage, guys. A quick little video. I'm going to show you real quick. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to take this out, right? You want to take that part out, and then you want to flip it around. You're going to flip it around. I'm turning this part to the bottom. If you have a different piece of paper, please go ahead and use it. I'm just going to show you how you can use back the same paper, guys. The same paper. You flip that paper around like that. Now this little picture frame came with a little plastic over it to protect it. You want to remove that plastic. You want to remove that whole thing. Want to remove that whole thing, right? And then it's going to look like this in the back, this is in the front. Notice how I put the barcode to the bottom. I could have put it to the top, but I just put it to the bottom. Now what you want to do is you want to take one of the largest B. This is the B wall decor. Now I know my theme is yellow, but I don't mind adding the B because the B has yellow on it, so I don't mind it. You're gonna take one of the largest B, quick, simple and easy, guys, and you're gonna add it to your barcode at the bottom right here. You add it to the barcode. Sorry guys, my allergies are really acting up. You want to take another one of the B. This is just a quick, easy DIY. And you're going to add it another B right here. Hold on guys. You're going to add it right here. Let me show you what I'm doing. I'm adding the B right here. See that? See that, my friends? You're gonna take another B, same size. Hold on, baby. Mommy doing a recording, okay? Give me a minute. And you're gonna wanna add another B to the top. I'm gonna add a same size B right here. And guys, that's your little pattern, guys. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Don't worry about the words there. Like I said, if you have another piece of paper that you could put there to hide it, you could go ahead and put it and hide it. Or if you don't want to use the paper for the background, which I think the paper looks really nice, you could remove the paper if you want like a clear look. And when you remove the paper, it's going to look clear like that. How beautiful is that? Isn't that amazing, guys? You see that? Absolutely beautiful. There's so much things that you could do with these Dollar Tree wall decals. You know, I like to work with them. What I like to do is to use them on my canister. So I will switch out the, I would go ahead and switch out the different wall decals for the different season. So that's another thing that you could do. You could switch it out for the different season. You could also go right ahead and put you some pictures inside of this frame. Let me show you real quick what it looks like now. Back the camera and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to be putting it right here. How beautiful is that? I think that's absolutely beautiful, guys. Quick, simple, and easy. Guys, I have these flags here from 4th of July. I didn't take them out yet because I haven't done a refresh yet. You see pretty much everything is the same. I haven't done a refresh as yet. I'm supposed to do a quick refresh, and I haven't done any refresh of the space, so everything is just pretty much the same, guys. But look how beautiful this is. You see that? Absolutely beautiful. And like I said, you could go right ahead and pull the paper out. Let me pull it out and see what it looks like real quick. Still pretty, still pretty, but I feel like I prefer the paper inside, so I'm going to go ahead and put the paper back inside, guys. Now these are a regular picture frame. You could go right ahead, like I said, and put a picture inside as well, but I really wanted to show you the wall decor. And for Christmas you could switch out the bee for maybe like a Christmas tree or something like that. Guys, lower your voice. So that's what it looks like, my friends. Quick, simple, and easy DIY. And the candle, guys, please comment down below. Let me know if you like the candles, if you like the DIY. And like I said, guys, this is a quick little vlog, vlog, DIY vlog, and just showing you what I purchased from the Aldi store for $5. I couldn't even believe the candle was $5. Could not believe it, but I'm so happy that I got it, guys. And I hope you like it. If you are not yet a subscriber, please go right ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a part of the Decor and DIY family. I would love to have you here. And put your post notification bell on. That way, my friends, you'll be notified of when I put out a brand new video, guys. Until next time, guys, be blessed and be creative. I'll catch you in the next video. Love you.